also the elevator, and we're out here today at Willow Valley Dairy Farm with Ron and John Lawfer to talk about June is Dairy Month. So, let's talk about Willow Valley. When was this farm established, and by whom and your
So, actually, my mom and dad established this in the middle 60s, or early 50s, or late 50s, I should say. And then, basically, I grew up here, and my wife and I, Julie, got married in '81, and we took over the dairy operation, and we flipped it up, and son John came back to the farm back in about 2008.
2008.
And wanted to continue the dairy operation, so we decided to put up a new facility with robot milkers.
So, with those robot milkers, how many are you milking today?
Currently, we're milking about 180 cows on 3 robots, and basically, you've got your camera and kind of glimpsing around the barn. We've got different colors, so we've got some Holsteins, Jerseys, Brown Swiss, and Ayrshire. Everything's purebred, and they visit the robots about 3 times a day.
Wonderful. So, looking at your farm with the robots, what does your day-to-day look like? You know, what time does your morning start, and what time does your day usually end, and what happens in between?
Well, I'm not gonna lie. Usually, Andy, our hired man, who's been with us for over 30 years, usually gets here a little before we do. And we usually come rolling out about 7 o'clock in the morning, and I take care of the cows, and Dad and Andy take care of feeding the cows, and Mother and my wife Elise take care of the calves. So we all, just between the 5 of us, we all kind of manage the 180 cows. And usually we get wrapped up usually about 7 o'clock at night.
So one of the advantages of the robots is the flexibility of the day. That we don't have to necessarily stop what we're doing at a certain time to milk cows. The cows are being milked 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And so it offers some flexibility in
And I'm sure that flexibility is really helpful when it's time to be in the field, right?
So I always say that we probably get more work done from the 5 o'clock to 8 o'clock at night than you do the whole day, because things are finally working right.
Sounds about right, for sure, for sure. Now, since your family has been with the dairy industry for so long, what's one of your favorite things about the dairy industry, Ron?
I just the fact that we're providing a nutritious product for the people to consume. And whether it's the milk we drink, or the ice cream, or the cheese, all the dairy products, it's nutritious, and that's what gets us going every day. You want to add to that?
Except for
Talking about those dairy products, what's your favorite?
I gotta go with cheese.
Cheese. Perfect. What about you, Ron?
Cheese and ice cream.
Cheese and ice cream. Can't go wrong.
Nope.
Can't go wrong. Looking at your whole farm as a complete view, what's one of the things that you're most proud of?
One of the things I'm proud of is that we're bringing the next generation into the operation. That's something that me and Julie are both very proud of. So, John,
I'd probably say kind of seeing the multi-generations, and then I'd like to think that we're good stewards too. Between our contour farming and our different crops and stuff, we're hoping to leave this to the next generation, this farm to the next generation, a better farm than what we were given. So between this land stewardship and then the multi-generation, that's probably what I'm proud of.
Those are all very, very important in the ag industry. Where does your milk go?
So, we belong to the Midwest Dairymen's Cooperative, and so not only does the Midwest own or supply milk for the Prairie Farms in Rockford, we also own the Shelford Cheese up in Shelford. So we also provide milk for some of the area cheese plants in the area too. A lot of our milk is going over to Kent right now, maybe for the Mexican cheese over at Kent. Either that or it goes up to Shelford and maybe cheese up to Shelford.
Okay, so if we buy local cheese, we might just be getting something from right here at Willow Valley.
Exactly.
Awesome. What's one thing as we are in the ag industry, what's one thing that you want the public to know about the ag industry, know about farmers, just knowing them?
Well, I would say that it doesn't matter what industry you're in, whether it's dairy or beef or swine or corn. We all grow a wholesome product, and we're proud of what we grow. And it's sad that there's groups out there that try to manipulate that, but we take pride in providing food for population. So,
one thing that I would like the public to know too is that we're taking resources that we can't as humans eat. The feed that we feed our cows, they're all it's taken off crops that we can't eat ourselves. We can't eat the field corn, we can't eat the alfalfa. Those kind of products we can't eat ourselves. But on the other hand, we could take for instance, soybeans. They squeeze the soybeans, they squeeze the oil out of it. What's left over, the soybean oil meal, we can feed to our cows. Same thing with the distillers up there. They take corn, they take the energy out of it, make the ethanol out of it. What's left over, the distillers comes back here, and we can utilize it for our animals. Corn gluten, same thing with corn gluten. So we're taking resources that would not be available for human consumption and turning it around. The cows are amazing animals that they can do this with their ruminants, with their four stomachs. And we can turn it into products that we enjoy. The milk, the ice cream, the cheese. So
Wonderful. Well, Ron just listed a bunch of dairy products. So let's thank John and Ron out here today in Willow Valley for taking their time to talk with us. And remember, June is Dairy Month, and go enjoy some milk.
thank you.
So, John, which one is your favorite cow?
Well, my favorite cow is this, my red and white Willow, but I'd have to say that the farm's ambassador here is Elise's cow, Sweet Pea.